Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Today we're going to be using a Fiskars shape template and scoring guide to make little envelopes for gift cards or whatever you want to enclose in them. They're just like smaller kind of envelopes. And this is a two-part template. I don't have a actual scoring tool, so I'm just going to be using like it's actually for turning corners and sewing, but it's like sort of a dull plastic point. And you can actually buy scoring tools. And then the template consists of the envelope where you trace around and cut it out. First you trace around it, and then you use this other one to score it on the folding line. I had this really cool book that I bought at Half Price Books. It was on sale for like $1. And what it featured was all these different types of vintage wrapping paper, and they were just pictures of wrapping paper. So I went through and cut the book apart, and I'm making the little envelopes out of these pictures of the vintage wrapping paper. So I'm going to show in the video, first of all, me going through and selecting the papers and tracing the one template. And then I'm going to show me scoring the template, and scoring is just fold lines. And then we'll fold the little envelopes, look at what the end product is. It's just a real easy little project. I'm just going to leave them flat, and that way I can cut them out and do them as needed. So for a board, I don't have like the scoring board. I'm just using sort of a soft, thicker piece of cardboard to score mine on top of. Now the template actually has instructions for this Fiskars shape cutter, but I don't have that, and I'm just going to be using scissors. You can use this even if you don't have all these supplies that are shown on the guide. So we've already used this to go through and trace our shape, and now what you do is you just line up the second. It's the scoring guide, and it's see-through plastic, so you just line it up with the lines that you've already drawn onto your paper like so. And I'm just going to take the tool that I've chosen to use. You could, like I said, you can buy a scoring tool. You don't want to rip your paper, so you want to make sure it's dull enough and that you have a soft enough padding, probably like a mouse pad might work too, underneath. That's all there is to it. Now you won't be able to see that on the camera, I don't think. Well, maybe I can deal with the lighting. And now I'm just going to cut it out. Christmas scene. Now on the scoring edges, I'm going to go where I scored. I'm just going to sort of fold it a little on those edges, and this is like a circular edge here. Pinch it. Do the same thing on the other scoring edge here. This is the pillow. I was seeing if taking a moment to see if it's a pillow box. I think it's 4874. Yeah, 4874 would be the product number if you're looking for this exact one, and it's the pillow box. And if you've never used any Fiskars products before, they make all kinds of sewing products and crafting products. You can use all kinds of paper or cardstock, anything you really want. Old Christmas cards, that would be a good way to recycle that. And then we have the little pillow box here when it's finished. I'm going to do one more. I already did the scoring on that one. edge. I'm being careful not to crease the rest of the paper. Just want to crease where the scoring marks are. And they do make all kinds of double-sided papers. If you were making really fancy ones, they have like a matte color on one side, maybe like a navy blue, and an inside would be like a metallic gold or a metallic silver. They make all kinds of papers. There's ones with plain on the outside and plaid on the inside, but you can make a really fancy box that way. I just think the template lends itself well to being able to recycle, like I said, greeting card, the colorful magazine pictures, and that's where I saw the potential. And when I saw this, I had the template already, and I saw this book of vintage, it was images of vintage wrapping papers. I thought, well, that's really cute, and I got the book for $1. So those are just really cute little pillow boxes, and you can make them really fast, and it's another way to recycle and use things that you ordinarily might throw away. Great way to reuse those really pretty Christmas cards. Just center your the template for the envelope. Make sure the pretty picture that you want is on the center part where, like I have the little kids in the bed. And then when you trace around it and you do your scoring. And the other good thing about it, it comes, if you collect a lot of templates, it has the holes already that you can put it in a ring binder to store it well. And like I said, I went through and prepared a bunch of them, and I'm going to cut them out and just leave them flat, probably between 2 pieces of cardboard in a manila envelope, and then I'll have them ready to construct whenever I need them for a quick gift card envelope, money envelope, or whatever it is that I'm wanting to give as a gift. Check out the Fiskars templates. They make all kinds of different patterns and different styles of boxes. This was just the quick pillow box, and it was really easy and really cute. So I hope this has given you some ideas to go shop in the Michaels or Walmart or wherever and check out those templates. And maybe you have an old pillow box you can take apart too and use as a template. Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Thanks for joining us. Bye.